Have you ever wanted to turn an idea into a profitable app but thought it was impossible without coding skills? What if I told you that I copied and built an app that's now making $9,000 per month without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step with using just one AI tool. This isn't just some theoretical example. I'll reveal the entire process of how I created a bird identification app similar to Picturebird that users are actually paying for right now. Alright, here's what we'll cover. In step 1, we'll set up the project blueprint using a free AI tool. For step 2, we'll build the core features of the app with the most powerful AI coding tool available today. And in step 3, we'll integrate Stripe for payments and deploy the app so it's ready to generate income. The best part? You don't need any coding experience to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll see just how easy it is to turn an app into a real money-making business using AI. If you've tried building apps before but got stuck with technical issues or complex code, this approach completely eliminates those roadblocks. I've made this tutorial super simple to follow, even if you've never built anything before. Let me show you how I build a complete clone of Picturebird with all the same features. This is the exact process smart developers are using in 2025 to build profitable apps in record time. The AI tool we'll be using is Replit. Once you open up Replit, go to the AI agent so we can start with building the app. We will start with the following prompt. Create a photo-based bird identification app that allows users to take or upload photos of birds for instant identification. Use Gemini AI for bird identification. Now we can start building. Replit automatically suggests features that could improve your app. Just tick the ones you think you'll need. It seems like Replit can read my mind, so I'll check its suggested features. I was really planning to include the database in history suggestions. Okay, click Approve Plan and Start. Now it started with technicalities and some commands, something Replit is very reliable on. Ta-da! We now have the app. The green color scheme is very inviting and relaxing to the eyes. Plus, the bird icon is simple yet fancy. As always, Replit will instruct us to test whether the identification process works. We will upload the American Crow image from my computer and let the identification start. Huh? But wait a minute, there's an error identifying the image. But it's okay since we must first test if the upload and take photo tabs are clickable. Now Replit is working on code quality and fixing some script issues. To recall, we specifically asked Replit to integrate the Gemini API key in our first prompt, so now it instructs us to get the key from the Google AI Studio. We just need to go to the link that Replit provides us. Now, let's copy the API key and paste its value here in our Replit server. Currently, Replit restarted its workflow changes to accurately analyze the bird photos and provide detailed identifications. Now let me try uploading the American Crow image I have here. Oh, let's try again using another bird photo. There's an error identifying both bird photos. I informed the Replit agent and it responded by assuring me that it would fix image upload functionality. I'll upload the photo of the American Crow, which I have here again. But there is an issue again, and I will specifically report what the errors say so Replit can figure it out comprehensively. I will simply copy the entire error and paste it in Replit so they can solve it for me. Now Replit instantly updated the Gemini API model to Gemini 1.5 Pro Vision to address depreciation. Works wonders. I am 100% clueless about this. Let's test again, and there is still an error, so we must patiently test it. As much as we need Replit's assistance, it needs our patience and cooperation. After several trial and error, Replit finally mastered the identification process. The app also shows recent bird identifications. Amazing! For the main show, let's now add another feature that would give the app's main functionality. I'll type as a new feature, add a bird database that consists of the following details. Physical characteristics, habitat and range maps, migration patterns, and seasonal appearance variations. Now, Replit has added a new bird database schema with detailed information. It also asked if I wanted to create API endpoints and UI components to manage the data. I'm pretty sure it would be helpful to the app, so I prompt, proceed with creating API endpoints and UI components to manage the data. Now we will test the bird's database page using the navigation menu. Hey, it's working. We just need to inform Replit that it is empty at the moment. Currently, Replit populated initial bird data to show that it works, and voila! It showed the first two birds we identified earlier. Even the physical integration and habitat information is there. Amazing. Although Replit is an innovative tool, we still need to try to add features step by step. Now, we will add the calls and songs to the database. I will type, in the bird's database, also add a bird's calls and songs. It's a bit comprehensive. Replit is updating the app schema and user interface to accommodate audio information. Now let us see if the sound tab would appear. It's there. Wonderful. Now Replit is refining the sound tab. We will say, could you add the real calls and songs of the bird, not just the test tone sound? So now Replit is sourcing some authentic bird calls from a public domain archive. It's complicated, in my opinion, so I'll patiently wait for Replit to finish. Now, the play icon isn't working again, and I understand since Replit just updated the database again. Let us instruct the Replit agent to fix the issue. Now it fixed the issue, and I will try to play the sounds. Great! It's nice. Though the sound seems similar, I will inform Replit about it. Great, it's working now, but it seems that the audio is similar. Replit is now working on the sounds. It's trying to get different frequencies so sounds wouldn't sound similar. Let's test the improved bird calls and song features with Replit using different frequencies, durations, and tremolo effects. Oh, I'm speechless. This is just so awesome. The sounds are distinct. Replit is definitely my best friend now, for sure. It is the user's time. I want to include a personal sighting log. It's a fun way to keep track of users' birding adventures. Plus, it helps users learn over time, like which birds show up where and when. It's like a digital birdwatching journal all in one place. So I will ask. Now add a new feature. Include a personal sighting log where users can save identified birds to their personal collection with the location, data, and notes. Let's just wait. This is getting exciting. Alright, now that it is finished, let's try to test it. We were able to identify the bird, but it doesn't go to the personal sightings log, or it doesn't have any options for that process. So we will let Replit fix it. After some trials, the personal sightings option worked, but it is not capable of saving it, so I asked Replit again to fix it. And the form below the identification result was there. I tried putting an example location and notes and it worked too, but it can't be saved. It says that there's an error. After some trial and error, I patiently instructed Replit to fix it. As humans, we make mistakes, and even a powerful tool like Replit can make mistakes. But Replit has its way of making everything right. I copied the error message directly so Replit could figure it out carefully. Now, let's try to test it again. I'm going to upload the bird image, put New York Park as a location, and we can say we spotted it in a tree. Now we can save it, and let's see it in the personal sightings tab. Hey, it's all there. The location and date icon are perfect too. We're almost done. I'm delighted. Finally, the last feature I want to implement is setting up a subscription service within the application. The free plan will offer limited access, while the premium plan, priced at $2.99 a month, offers unlimited bird identification, full bird information, an extensive sighting log, complete database access, extended history, offline mode, and priority processing. This setup keeps the free plan functional while making the premium plan compelling. So I'll write out what I just mentioned. Now the Replit agent is granting our request. This is a bit comprehensive, so we must give Replit enough time to furnish our requested features. Sometimes it can take a couple of minutes, but that's alright because the result is awesome and worth the waiting. The initial process for the subscription section is complete, so we'll check it. Cool, the subscription option is present, and the differences between both plans are accurately indicated. I'm just speechless. First time, wow. We need to integrate a payment method to make this subscription plan realistic. I'll choose Stripe for payment processing now. So I can type here, use Stripe to add payments of $2.99 a month for users when upgrading to premium plan. Okay, now it instructs us to integrate the API key. I'll just follow the link for the Stripe API key and create my account. After following all the instructions for key integration, Replit instructed us to test if the subscription page shows both free and premium plans, and if clicking upgrade to premium takes us to the payment page. So let's test it. It says failed to initialize payment, so let's wait for Replit to find the issue. I had some error with the price ID, but it's okay now. So let's try to click upgrade to premium. After some trial and error, it now processed the payment, but the upgrade to premium status stayed the same. Replit fixed the issue, but the premium plan won't reflect unless there's user identification. So I'll type add a user identification by creating a login and sign up page. Now it's okay and doing good. Next, to identify users separately, we need their email. So we will type, when a user is registering, they need to submit their email. This email is used as the primary field, which helps us identify each user separately. Add us to the register and the login page. Since there's already a user identification in the app, let it display the premium plan status after payment. Replit is extensively working on it. We have some trial and errors here. It's good to remember that AI tools like Replit need time to learn and improve. The more data they process and the more they're used, the better they get at giving accurate results. Just like people, AI gets better with experience. A little patience goes a long way in getting the best out of it. At last, the premium plan status is showing. I feel proud. Of course, we need to click and test these other tabs again. They're cool and, importantly, they're all functional. In just over 15 minutes, I've developed a functional AI app for bird identification. Thanks to Replit for assisting me throughout the process. This BirdSnap AI makes birdwatching easy and fun. Just snap or upload a photo to instantly identify bird species, log your sightings, explore a rich bird database, and revisit your birding history, all with a secure subscription system powered by Stripe for easy upgrades to premium features. For the final touch, you can customize the design and layout by constructing a detailed prompt about their color scheme, font, and more. But for this BirdSnap API app that we developed, I'm all satisfied with the green professional theme. The bird icon is a bonus too. I can add other features such as Bird of the Day, where users can discover a new feathered friend every day, get fun facts, stunning photos, and interesting insights about different bird species from around the world. This is perfect for expanding users' bird knowledge one day at a time. Got ideas? Replit's ready to help you bring them to life. Hey, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.